Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Make sure you subscribe
and today we're gonna
smash the like button. So today, Judd, you explain.
So popped our wheel, going down like 20 stairs, so
Yeah, something like that.
yep, fixing it up we can ride.
Yeah, we got a spare tube here. Giant 27.5 inch. We'll put that there. We'll be back when we get our materials. Well, what we need. Alright guys, we're back and we got our stuff. So what did we get, Judd?
So we have Allen keys, a pump,
and the tube
and a blunt knife.
Alright guys, we got the tire off, as you can see. We'll get into what we need to do. So we need a, wait. Alright guys, we got the wheel off, as you can see. Hey guys, we just got the tube out there, so now we're getting on to installing